how to fix Claude AI file upload failed. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and then go into settings. From within the settings, we will need to navigate to capabilities. Click on capabilities and then scroll down until you see code execution and file creation. This one basically can execute code and create and edit docs, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, data reports required for skills. So you want to uncheck this one. And once you have unchecked this one, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it doesn't, we can proceed to the second fix, which is going to be clicking the three dots of our browser and then going into settings. Here, you want to search for cache and click on delete browsing data. Here, make sure only cached images and files is selected, and then you want to change the time range for all time and click on delete from this device. Once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, make sure you follow the guidelines. So basically file size and what are the requirements going to be for that specific operation which you're trying to do with Claude AI. So make sure you fit within the file size, and if you need to compress the files, you can do that online. It really depends on your file format, and that's going to be the last tip that I can give you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.